Today's recipe is a delicious side dish that is super easy and quick to make. Tomato cauliflower with green peas. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Heat a pan over medium heat. Oil. I need dried bay leaves, green cardamoms and a cinnamon stick. Stir the whole spices for a few seconds till they are fragrant. Then in goes the sliced onions. Sprinkle salt to soften down the onions. Stir on medium heat till the onions become pale in color. Add a teaspoon of sugar. The sugar gets caramelized and give a nice color to the dish. Add grated ginger and stir for a few seconds. Then in goes ruby red chili powder. You can substitute paprika for chili powder if you want to avoid the heat. Stir for a second to bring out the color. Then the cauliflower beauties dive in. I always like to keep the cauliflower florets a bit large in size and chunky, as they are the star of the show, so they need to stand out with all their glory. You can now increase the heat of your stove and fry the cauliflower for a few minutes. Then I added crushed tomatoes. I used canned crushed tomatoes, but if tomatoes are in season at your place, then please use fresh ripe ones. Chop them very finely and stir till they turn soft and pulpy. Okay, everything looks well mixed, so now cover it on low heat. From time to time, uncover and give a stir. As always, I need coriander leaves. I never throw away the stalks as they impart so much flavor to the dish, so why unnecessarily throw them in the garbage? The cauliflowers have turned tender to my satisfaction. You do not want them to turn mushy and fall apart. Remember, they are the beauty queens of today's episode. Now it's time to add the coriander stalks and the green peas. Since I'm using frozen green peas, I'm adding them towards the end. But if you are using fresh ones, then add them in between the cooking process. I even added some garam masala powder. Finally, my favorite coriander leaves, without which Boombi cannot think of signing off a dish. But you can definitely use parsley if you dislike coriander. And look at those gorgeous cauliflowers. You can serve this with rice, roti, poori or a toasted bread. This will go very well with the vegetable pulao that I uploaded last week. Please do try this delicious recipe and send me your feedback. This is Boombi. And thanks for joining me today. Bye bye.